Alright, yo, good morning. I'm literally at a track day right now. I didn't bring the Supra, but I did come with an RX7, and there's also a ton of nicer cars out there too. But yeah, I'm just going just to see like the vibes and kind of how it feels and see if it's like something I kind of want to do or not. And low-key, just getting here, I wish I brought the Supra, I'm not gonna lie, because there's a lot of nicer cars here, and it seems like a really like chill vibe, but we'll see, because I've actually never been to an actual track before, so yeah, we'll see. But let's go have a little overview of some of the cars that I've seen here. Alright, so we have a C8 Z06. It looks like a Miata that's just built for a track. It's insane. It has a swan neck and everything. I think that's an E92 M3 and an old like E something 3 series. I think that's also sick. But most of the drivers' cars are all over here. I guess it's kind of parked up. Let's go like have a little overview, I guess, of everything. It's an M4 Heritage Edition. Thing's crazy. There's BRZ, another BRZ. There's a 45th anniversary Supra. I'm gonna come and just see how it was for the first time, and then depending on how it is, I'll bring the car. Yeah. Are you driving today?
Of course. Driving a lot of things today.
Oh shit. Okay.
Yeah. There you go. Thanks, sir.
Okay, so right now there's like a driver briefing, I guess. And look at that 45th anniversary Supra. That thing's insane. I'm surprised he's tracking it. That's also a red Supra over there too, which is pretty cool.
There are people who have gone straight into traffic. Why not turn left? That could get ugly around turn 8 with a big wall, big steel wall.
Alright, this is the lineup so far. Oh my gosh, we got everybody just gonna like go out to the track, I guess. But let's actually get into the car, because we're gonna miss the parade lap and we don't want to do that. Y'all, that was my fault. These were not Camaros, these were Pontiac GTOs, apparently. Yeah, cool. And then we also have Shelby's here as well. That's sick. But yeah, I was talking to the 45th anniversary, and she modifies and drives it quite a good amount, but this is like a little junk pile we're just like throwing stuff at. Unfortunately, my pista is not regulated for this track, so we just have to set it here, and yeah, it's unfortunate, but it is what it is. The red Supra just came back from a pass, so he's going, I guess, chill. That's so cool. I'm gonna talk to the red Supra too and see what's up with that. Because I'm surprised people actually track these things, you know? Like, I didn't really expect it. Like, even like, there's like even like C8s and stuff here too, which is like insane. But yeah, it's super cool. Super good vibe. My hair's like totally messed up because I had the helmet on for the parade lap, even when you didn't really need to. But yeah. Literally, all you can hear is just car exhaust noises. And like, they're flying. Yeah, look at that C8. Oh god, that's that Miata GT3 that I talked about, that we saw earlier. There's an M3 coming out. That thing is insane. Oh, now it's an E92 M3. Yeah, that's cool. It's crazy. The C06 is coming out with a passenger. That is insane. I guess this is like the next group that's gonna go out. So we have two C8 Z06s, the Supra, and then an M4 Heritage behind it. And there's also another Supra behind that too. This RCF was flying. Yeah, he's just getting out. This thing already has fans on. That's crazy. Sick. Yeah, somebody bought like an actual track car and a tow car. The tow car is a GX460. That is insane. Both 2023s. That one's a stick anniversary edition. Crazy. Yeah, they're coming out. I think it's an HKS single exit too. It's pretty cool. This M3 just came back. Now he's going out again. Let's listen to this little startup real quick. Then I'm gonna get my helmet. I'm gonna go with the RX7 on track. And he's gonna go for some laps. That's gonna be pretty exciting. Actually, let's do that right now. He's already out, so let's do it. Alright, let's go grab my stuff from the junk pile and let's get going. Alright, we're letting the RX7 cool off. We're here spectating. This G86 is... it's pulling numbers on this track, yo. He's going crazy. Yeah, no, so far it's been kind of a vibe. It's been like pretty chill. To be honest. Thanks for the ride, man. Oh my god. Oh. Yo, that was insane. Like, holy.
Are you good?
I'm just not going faster yet.
Huh?
Appreciate you, bro.
You're not going faster yet.
No. I'm going to beat the personal best.
Well,
Insane.
It's a really weird quote coming from
Oh. Yo, oh my gosh. I got like my helmet on right now. Dude, that was crazy. Like, oh, that's insane. I don't know if you guys can even hear me, but currently it is 11:37 Sunday, which is race day, and I'm literally at this cute little bar. I'm editing right now, like the video that you're watching, and we're watching the Bahrain GP on like. There's like 8 TVs here. I was over there at the Ferrari corner, but I found this comfy little couch, and my computer just died. But yeah, now we're in like the Red Bull corner, which is so cute. But yeah, I'm gonna finish editing this video and then enjoy the GP. And hopefully this comes out on Sunday as well, so we'll actually know who won the GP by the time this came out. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed this little RX7 track day. I'm trying to get my car track ready soon so I can go too. But yeah, be kind to yourselves, be kind to each other, be kind to the world. And just be good people. Yeah. Peace.